The universe is me, and I am the universe. Based on the knowledge and the wisdom that we learned today, let's make a meditation. Okay, now let's start this meditation. Find a quiet spot. You can sit on a cushion, on the bed, on a chair, whatever is comfortable for you. I recommend to sit in a way that keeps your spine straight. Once you are comfortable and you are ready, close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and out. In and out. Now focus on the unity. Bring to mind the central idea that all things are interconnected and part of a single infinite living mind. The all is mind. Focus on this unity.